painting looks almost the same as it did online.
Ah, yes. But now take a deep sniff.
It smells like his nanas.
Yum!
Sniff, sniff. It's making me hungry, and I don't eat.
That's exactly the reaction the artist wanted. This is the Cube Gizm portrait. The artist is trying to get you to think about
How this Oolie really looks.
indeed, but also feels.
What?
Oh yes, this is an interactive piece. That means the artist wants you to touch it. So, go on.
It feels silky, like real hair.
This feels springy, like...
The Oolie's favorite dessert, sponge cake.